and customers with YouTube. And this is like a AI automation machine we're using for our channel. My friend actually messaged me yesterday. It was like, "Is are you doing any like normal human videos anymore?" And I was like, "Well, here's our process." And I sort of walked him through exactly how it works, what we're doing, etc. And today I'm going to walk you through the same process as well so that you can understand it. And it's pretty simple and easy. So we're going to go through that in a second. What we're going to be doing is just walking you through the roadmap in terms of how do we get 1.8 million views per month with YouTube using AI. You might be wondering, okay, let's break down the basics, right? So, right, why would you want to automate your channel and create something like this, build something like this? Well, I mean, the whole goal here is like the more people you reach, the more your business grows, right? It's pretty simple, but like if more people know about your stuff, then you're going to get more customers, right? If everyone in the whole world, let's say you got 8 billion people in the world or whatever it is, if 8 billion people in the world knew about your stuff and what you sell and your products, etc., then would you get more customers? Absolutely, right? So the only constraint in most businesses, if more people knew about it, which is why so many people pay for Facebook ads and everything else, then you would make more, you would grow your business and grow your revenue because more people know about your stuff, right? And so that's the whole goal here. Now, I just want to say this is a quick disclaimer. This is not typical, and it requires hard work. If you're creating like a good system with good quality videos, etc., then it does take a bit of work. So I'll run through that in a second. But let me go through the system, and then also, the other benefit of this is that you save time. So, for example, if you're creating a YouTube video, well, that used to take me like 8 hours if I was sitting down manually. It might be 8+ hours to record a video manually. Bear in mind, like you've got the thumbnail, you've got to sit down and come up with the idea. You've got to, for example, come up with the structure of the video. And also, you've got to make sure that you actually sit down, record it, and articulately present yourself, right? If you're creating videos manually, you only have so much time, right? So that's constrained. If you create videos with AI, well, you can create as many videos as you want as long as the current videos are performing really well. And so that's the difference here, right? So why would you want to create this AI system to get 100K views per month? Well, I've walked you through all the different steps right here. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this channel and see how it's performing. So I'm actually going to take this like so, and we're going to run you through the numbers here. All right. So let me take a screenshot here and we'll put it inside the training that we're creating for you today.